This dance is called Steamboat Queen. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, improve a level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to stomp the right forward into the diagonal, so into the corner towards 130. You're then effectively going to walk your left foot in towards the right. So leave your toe where it is, move the heel to the right, then move your toe to the right, then move the heel to the right. You can see how that foot is walking its way in. You're then going to stomp the left forward to that left diagonal towards 1030 and do exactly the same thing with your right foot, walking it in. So the right heel moves to the left, the right toe moves to the left, the right heel moves to the left. You're then going to add on a key step, and with this one you're going to clap when you do the touch steps. So you step that right diagonally forward to the right, touch the left beside the right and clap, step the left back to where it came from, touch the right beside the left and clap, step the right diagonally back to the right, touch the left beside the right and clap, step the left back to where it came from, touch the right beside the left and clap. That set of steps once more then. Stomp, heel, toe, heel. So you're walking that foot in. Off on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. Remember to clap on those touch steps. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn left, cross that right over the left. Add on a mambo cross, rocking to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross that left over the right. Vine to the right with the cross, give myself a little bit more room. So step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, cross that left over the right, then add on another mambo cross, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross that right over the left. That set of steps once more then, step pivoting quarter and across off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side, cross, mambo, cross. Let's add that to the top. Stomp, heel, toe, twist off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, step, touch, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side, cross, mambo, cross. You're going to vine to the left with a cross. So you step the left to the side, cross that right behind, step the left to the side, cross that right over. Rock to the side on the left as you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the right. Then step forward on the left. You're then going to add on a Monterey quarter turn. So you're going to point that right toe out to the side, bring the right beside the left, you make a quarter turn right, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. And then add on a mambo cross, right foot leading, rocking to the side on the right, recover, cross that right over the left. That set of steps once more then, vining to the left, left foot leads. 7, 8, side behind, side, cross, rock, turn, step, Monterey, turn, mambo, cross. Add that to the top. Stomp, heel, toe, twist off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side, cross, rock, turn, step, Monterey, turn, mambo, cross. You're going into a forward rumba box, left foot leading. So you can step the left to the side, right beside left, step that left forward. Right to the side, left beside right, step the right back. And on a coaster step, left foot leading, back, close, step. You're then going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, make a quarter turn to the right, stepping that right to the side, and then cross the left over the right. So a mambo quarter turn, and then cross. That set of steps once more, then rubber off on the left. 7, 8, side close step, side close back, coaster step, mambo turn cross. End the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Stomp, heel, toe, twist off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, step, touch, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side cross, rock, turn, step, Monterey, turn, mambo, cross, side close step, side close back, coaster step, mambo turn cross. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts because there are quite a few ands in it. Stomp, heel, toe, twist off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. So this particular piece of music is a little bit nippy. And it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall. Keep going when we get back to the front, and when we do get back to the front wall, I'm just going to speed it up a little bit. Stomp, heel, toe, twist off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, touch, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross. Side behind, side cross, rock, turn, step, Monterey, turn, mambo, cross. Side close step, side close back, coaster step, mambo, turn, and stomp, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, step, pivot, cross, a mambo, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross. Side behind, side cross, rock, turn, step, Monterey, turn, mambo, cross. Side close step, side close back, coaster step, mambo, turn, and. So hopefully you managed to follow that. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, six, seven, eight, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side cross, rock, turn, step, Monterey, turn, mambo, cross, side close step, side close back, coaster step, mambo, turn, and stomp, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, side behind, side cross, rock, turn, step, Monterey, turn, mambo, cross, side close step, side, close back, coaster, step, back and return and stop twist. Pivot. Vine. Rumba. Stop heel twist. Pivot. Vine. Rumba. Hope you managed that one.